Today we will learn how to install SSL on a WordPress website for free. This is one of the easiest SSL installation methods on the planet. In this tutorial, we will install SSL on our WordPress website. As you can see, there is a not secure warning beside the domain name. We will fix that and make it secure with just a few simple steps. First, go to the WordPress admin dashboard and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, click on Plugins in the sidebar, then Add New. In the search bar, type SSL and you will see the WP Encryption plugin. Install and activate it. After activation, they might ask you for permission to subscribe to their newsletter, but you can skip that. Now, you'll see the options for SSL installation, a free plan and a pro plan. We will use the free plan to set up SSL. Select the free option and you'll be taken to the next page. Here, you need to enter your email address in the provided field to generate an SSL certificate for both your www and non-www domains. Mark the box to ensure both domains will have an SSL certificate. Next, accept the mandatory terms and conditions and then click Generate SSL Certificate. Now you need to verify your domain ownership using one of two methods: HTTP challenge. DNS challenge. I prefer using the HTTP method as it's simpler. For this, you will need access to cPanel. In your hosting cPanel, go to File Manager under the Files section. Click on public_HTML if your domain is the primary domain of your hosting. Once inside, click on Settings at the top right and select Show Hidden Files. Now, create a folder as instructed on the SSL plugin page. Copy the folder name and paste it in the given field. Next, you need to create another folder inside the first one and follow the same process. You will now need to upload to verification files. Download these files from the SSL plugin page and return to File Manager to upload them. Click on Upload, select the files, and upload them. Once uploaded, refresh your File Manager and you should see the two files in the folder. To verify the upload, click the provided links. If everything is fine, you'll see the verification page. After that, click Verify HTTP Challenge. Once verified, your SSL certificate has been successfully generated. Next, we need to install the certificate. Go back to cPanel and search for SSL TLS in the search bar. Click on Manage SSL Sites under the Security section. Select the domain for which you want to install the SSL certificate. You will now see three fields: Certificate CRT, Private Key, and Certificate Authority Bundle Kabundle. Copy the certificate keys provided by the SSL plugin and paste them into the respective fields. After that, click Install Certificate. Your SSL certificate will now be installed successfully. Go back to your website and enable HTTPS in the settings. Note, it might take a few minutes for the system to detect the new SSL certificate. Once it's done, reload your website and log in again. You should notice a small security lock icon appearing next to your domain name, which means your site is now secure. Congratulations, the SSL installation on your WordPress website is now complete. One important thing to note is that the free SSL certificate is valid for 90 days. After 90 days, you will need to follow the same method to renew it. If you want to get an SSL certificate for a lifetime with just a one-time task, watch this video we've already published. That's it for this tutorial on how to install SSL on your WordPress website for free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.